On the left I have my old iPhone 13 and on the right I bought the brand new iPhone 15 Plus, which I turned on right out of the box. And now I'm gonna show you how you can transfer all your data from your old iPhone, including photos, WhatsApp data, eSIM, and also replicating the home screen for free with a step-by-step guide. When you unbox the new iPhone and turn it on by pressing the power button, you will be presented with a hello screen. Don't worry if you have already set up your new iPhone, you can come back to the hello screen by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Now swipe up to select the language on your new iPhone and a pop-up message will appear on your old iPhone. Tap on Continue and your old iPhone will try to connect to your new iPhone. To authenticate the transfer process, you need to scan the pattern using the old iPhone. So let's scan the pattern like so. And then select Setup for me. Now enter the passcode of your old iPhone into the new one and your Apple ID information transfer will take place. Tap on Continue. Then it will ask for Face ID, which I will set up later. So select Setup Later below the Continue button and then it will ask for your transfer method. In our case, we will transfer data from the old iPhone 13. So we will select Transfer from iPhone. Now tap on Agree. Tap on Continue. I don't want to update my iPhone as soon as Apple releases any software update, so I will select only Download automatically so that I can avoid any bugs which come with the new software update. Tap on Continue, then tap on Enable Location Services. I will set up Siri later in the settings. Tap on Continue and it will ask for software update. So tap on Update now. After the launch of new iPhone 15, there was a bug which prevented data transfer from old iPhone or caused some problems in the transfer process, so Apple released a software update to fix it. This process will take some time depending on your Wi-Fi internet speed. After the Apple logo screen, you will again land on Hello page. Swipe up and enter your passcode to resume the data transfer process. Your new iPhone will again try to connect to your old iPhone, and once connected, pop-up message will appear on both the iPhones and your data transfer will be initiated. Estimated time will be displayed depending on the size of the data in your old iPhone. Once the transfer is complete, the new iPhone will restart itself. Swipe up and enter your passcode and both iPhones will receive notification of transfer completion. Tap on Continue on your old iPhone, and if you want to sell, exchange your old iPhone, tap on Continue to erase all the data from your old iPhone. But I want to show you that all the data has been transferred successfully on the new iPhone, so I will select Not Now. Now tap on Continue. I will set up Face ID later in the settings. Now type your Apple ID password and tap on Continue. A code will be sent on the device. Type the code and you will be signed in to your new iPhone. Select Not Now, then Continue and swipe up to go to your home screen. And as you can see, all the apps from the old iPhone are being installed simultaneously. Give location usage for Find My Device. Meanwhile, I can show you that all the photos are transferred successfully, as you can see on both the devices. Also, all the call logs, contact list, and all my messages are transferred successfully as well. If you want to transfer your eSIM from your old iPhone to your new one, you can go to the settings, cellular, set up cellular, and if your SIM carrier supports eSIM transfer, you can select transfer from nearby iPhone, and a notification will pop up on your old iPhone to continue. And if your SIM carrier does not support eSIM transfer, you can contact them and they will provide a QR code on your email which you can scan by selecting Use QR code option. In my case, I used physical SIM, so I just need to pop it out from my old iPhone and insert the SIM in my new phone. So as you can see on the top right corner, I have inserted my SIM in the new iPhone. To verify WhatsApp data, I need to have my SIM in the new iPhone. So let's open WhatsApp. Enter the Face ID passcode if you enabled it. Tap on Agree, select your country, type your number and hit Next. Enter two-step verification if you have enabled it on your WhatsApp. Type your name and hit Done. And there you go. All the chats are being transferred successfully on your new iPhone and the WhatsApp will be disabled from your old iPhone. Now you can erase all the data from the old iPhone by going into the settings. Here is the side-by-side comparison of my home screen as well. Both are identical. And if you want to transfer all the data from an Android device to your new iPhone, you can tap on the video on the left. Or you can even watch my iPhone tips and tricks playlist. See you over there.